Hey, if you recently installed Android Studio and Android Studio is not starting successfully and giving error, cannot lock system folders, then you need to make couple of changes in your computer and then Android Studio will run successfully. And these changes are very easy. First, just you need to go to your computer checker. This PC might be in your computer, there will be my computer or any other one. Just go to my PC, then click local disk C drive or where you have installed Android Studio. I have installed it on local disk C. Here you need to open users folder, then you need to click your username. If you are using admin or any other, my username is Atik and I want to open this folder. Double click here. Now here you can see there are a couple of folders which are Android related. First simply Android and the second one is Android Studio 3.4. First just right click Android and then click properties. Here you can see in attributes read only applies to files and folders. Just uncheck this checkbox and then click apply. Okay. Now system making few changes, as you can see now. Just wait and see. System making changes very quickly. Now is everything Android Studio or maybe files system is reading. Just wait for these changes. Oh, maybe 15, about 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Just wait for these changes. Computer needs to make these changes. Now this process running, and again go to Android Studio 3.4 and again click properties and check here also, click apply. Okay. Here computer is very fast, click OK. Earlier process still running. Just you need to wait. Your Android Studio is very big software. Maybe system need to write lots of files, maybe 4 GB above. Just wait these. Just need to wait and wait. Maybe I now you can see we need to go to desktop or open shortcut of Android Studio. I want to double click here. Now you can see Android Studio launching successfully. Now you can see Android Studio is running successfully. Thanks. Close. Now everything is open for you to work in Android Studio. Thanks.